Look around you. Everything you see, from your hand to the screen you are reading this on, is made of atoms. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of matter, the smallest units that retain the chemical properties of an element. Atoms are incredibly tiny, yet they are responsible for the vast diversity of matter in the universe. To understand atoms is to understand the universe itself. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest star, everything is ultimately composed of these tiny particles. The study of atoms has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. By understanding how atoms interact, we can explain the properties of materials, the behavior of chemical reactions, and the workings of living organisms. The journey into the world of atoms is a journey into the heart of reality itself. Atoms are incredibly small. To put their size in perspective, imagine a single grain of sand. That grain contains billions upon billions of atoms. If an atom were the size of a basketball, then a basketball made of atoms would be the size of the Earth. Despite their small size, atoms have a complex structure. At the center of every atom is a nucleus, which contains two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive electrical charge, while neutrons have no charge. Orbiting the nucleus are tiny particles called electrons. Electrons carry a negative electrical charge and are much smaller than protons and neutrons. The number of protons in an atom determines its atomic number, which defines its identity as a specific element. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Each element is made up of only one type of atom. For example, a piece of pure gold is made entirely of gold atoms. There are over 100 known elements, each with its unique properties. Some elements, like oxygen and nitrogen, are gases at room temperature. Others, like iron and gold, are solids. The properties of an element are determined by the structure of its atoms. The number of protons in an atom determines its atomic number, which is a fundamental property of an element. For example, all carbon atoms have 6 protons, while all oxygen atoms have 8 protons. The atomic number is like an element's fingerprint, identifying it uniquely. Section 4. The periodic table. Organizing the elements. The periodic table is a chart that organizes all the known elements based on their atomic number and chemical properties. The elements are arranged in rows and columns, with elements in the same column sharing similar chemical behavior. The periodic table is an essential tool for chemists and other scientists. It allows us to predict the properties of elements and how they will react with each other. The periodic table is a testament to the power of human ingenuity in organizing and understanding the natural world. The periodic table is a constantly evolving document. As new elements are discovered, they are added to the table, expanding our understanding of the building blocks of matter. The search for new elements continues to this day, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge of the universe. Section 5. Chemical bonding, joining atoms together. Atoms can interact with each other through chemical bonds. These bonds are formed by the sharing or transfer of electrons between atoms. When atoms bond together, they form molecules, which are the smallest units of a compound. There are many different types of chemical bonds, each with its unique properties. One common type of bond is the covalent bond, in which atoms share electrons. Water, H2O, is a classic example of a molecule held together by covalent bonds. Another common type of bond is the ionic bond, in which one atom donates an electron to another atom, creating oppositely charged ions that attract each other. Table salt, NaCl, is formed through ionic bonding between sodium and chlorine atoms. Section 6. Conclusion. Atoms and the universe. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of matter, responsible for the vast diversity of the universe. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest star, everything is ultimately composed of these tiny particles. Understanding atoms is essential for comprehending the natural world and our place in it. By studying atoms, we gain insights into the properties of materials, the behavior of chemical reactions, and the workings of living organisms. The field of atomic physics continues to advance, leading to new technologies and a deeper understanding of the universe. As we delve deeper into the realm of atoms, we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and gain a profound appreciation for the elegance and complexity of the natural world. The journey into the world of atoms is a journey into the heart of reality itself, revealing the fundamental principles that govern our universe.